As sports designers, I'm sure you've heard this story before. You create an awesome template, pass it on to someone else, and it gets butchered. It's really easy for non-designers to mess up text or a layer, but I know a foolproof way to make sure your templates look how you want them to in the end. Layer comps. Let me show you how I set up templates for Princeton football to ensure they always look perfect. First, I actually include an artboard that has clear instructions with which smart objects that need to be edited. For this template, I have 3 smart objects that use layer comps. And using layer comps are very easy. You just open up the smart object, navigate to the properties panel, and then select from the drop-down menu which layer comp you want to use. And since we're using smart objects, when you hit save, it automatically updates that object across all of your artboards. Layer comps allow Photoshop to remember a single save state of each smart object. For this instance, we're focusing just on what's visible. For the opponent logos, each layer comp saves a state of that specific logo being visible. For the score, it's text layers 1 through 65 with different effects applied to it. And finally, for the displaced text that says halftime, it has the end of the other quarters as the layer states. This setup might take a little bit more time up front, but if you use a lot of effects and filters like me, it's a lot easier for a non-designer to use a drop-down menu than it is to manipulate multiple smart objects. Let me know in the comments how you would use layer comps in your templates.